A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a stunning turn of events, Donald Trump has secured victory in the U.S. presidential election, effectively bringing an end to the multiple criminal cases that have loomed over him for much of the past year. With a long-standing U.S. Justice Department policy that prohibits prosecuting a sitting president, the implications of this election are profound, not only for Trump but for the legal landscape surrounding presidential accountability. The Justice Department is currently evaluating how to wind down Special Counsel Jack Smith's 2 criminal cases against Trump, which stem from allegations of election interference and mishandling of classified documents. This unprecedented situation marks the first time a former president has faced criminal charges, and Trump's legal troubles were further complicated by his conviction in May for falsifying business records related to a hush money payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels during the 2016 campaign. For much of 2023, Trump was embroiled in 4 simultaneous prosecutions, with charges ranging from election interference to financial misconduct. However, with his return to the White House now secured, the Justice Department is faced with a unique challenge: how to gracefully close these cases without setting a damaging precedent. Trump's election victory over Kamala Harris has shifted the narrative, as the Justice Department recognizes that pursuing these cases against a sitting president would contradict decades of legal precedent designed to protect the office from criminal prosecution. Special Counsel Jack Smith's investigations have drawn significant public attention, particularly his scrutiny of Trump's actions leading up to the January 6th Capitol riot and his retention of classified documents at Mar-a-Lago. Trump's legal strategy throughout this tumultuous period has been to delay proceedings, a tactic that seems to have paid off with his recent electoral success. In a recent interview, Trump expressed his intention to dismiss Smith immediately upon taking office, a move that now appears unnecessary as the special counsel is already moving to conclude the cases. The decision to halt the prosecutions reflects a broader understanding within the Justice Department that continuing to pursue these cases would not only be politically charged, but could also provoke a constitutional crisis. Trump's allies have long speculated about his potential to dismiss Smith and disrupt the investigations, but with the election outcome now in his favor, the urgency to act has diminished. Yet, the complexities of these cases cannot be understated. The classified documents case remains under appeal, and the Justice Department is keen to ensure that it does not go unchallenged. A failure to pursue this appeal could undermine the future use of special counsels and set a troubling precedent for how presidential misconduct is addressed. Trump's legal team is also actively fighting against his felony conviction in New York, further complicating the legal landscape for the incoming president. As the Justice Department navigates this unprecedented situation, former Attorney General William Barr has publicly urged prosecutors to dismiss the charges against Trump. Barr stated, "The American people have rendered their verdict on President Trump and decisively chosen him to lead the country for the next 4 years. They chose him to lead us with the full knowledge of the claims against him by prosecutors around the country." His comments highlight the significant political implications of the election and the public's perception of Trump's legal challenges. The legal ramifications of Trump's victory extend beyond his immediate cases. The Supreme Court's previous rulings have granted former presidents expansive immunity for actions taken while in office, complicating the potential for any future accountability. This has led to a growing debate about the limits of presidential power and the responsibilities that come with it. As the dust settles from the election, one thing is clear: Donald Trump will enter his new term free from the weight of his most significant criminal legal problems. While his past actions continue to raise questions about ethics and legality, the political landscape has shifted dramatically in his favor. The Justice Department's next steps will be closely watched as they navigate the intersection of law and politics in a way that has never before been seen in American history. With Trump back in power, the future of presidential accountability remains uncertain, leaving many to wonder what this means for the rule of law in the United States. The implications of this election will resonate for years to come, as the nation grapples with the balance of justice and political power. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.